Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Music Story not showing. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if you're trying to create a story on Facebook and adding music on the story, but the music icon is just not showing there, here I'm going to walk you some steps to fix that problem. Well, first I'm going to tap on Create Story. And as you see here, the music icon will appear, and if it's not there, you can just swipe all the way over and it's going to be there. Now I'm going to tap on Music. And you can of course hit the play button to listen to the music. You can tap on it and the lyrics will be added to your Facebook story. Well, if the music icon is not showing there or you're just having problem to add it, here the first thing we're going to do to fix that problem is to go to Play Store. Now go to the search bar and type in Facebook. And here next to Facebook, if it says update, then just update your app to get the latest version. And mine says open, so I already have the latest version. Another thing that you can do is to go to your settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Now hit manage apps. And now look for Facebook. Now tap on clear data, then clear cache. So what this is going to do is going to get rid of any kind of bugs or issues in the app. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.